Hi guys, and welcome back to the Rusty Blaze YouTube Barber. So in this video today I'm going back to basics and I'm going to give you the top 8 things to have when you're a beginner barber. So let's stop messing about and get straight into it. So the number 1 is your scissors. Now these are the scissors that I originally bought when I started out. They came in a set like that. So you get the thinning scissors and your 6-inch scissors. They was about £80 for the set. So great value, they do the job. I find them really good. So that's the number 1 is your scissors. And I will leave a link down below for everything what I do mention. Let's move on to number 2. So number 2 is going to be your clipper. So the clipper that I use is the Gamma Absolute Alpha. So a really nice clipper, really nice, ergonomic. The key feature that it does have is the click lever, and for a beginner barber the click lever is absolutely amazing just to keep you on track. If you have a little bit more money, then you could also go for the Gamma ERGO. Again, really nice clipper, super quiet, and it also has the click lever. So my number 2 would be the clipper. Let's move on to number 3. I'd like to give Shear Police a shout out as well. Shear Police are the scissors that I use, and I've got the ERGO rotation with the swivel thumb. If you are interested in those, go check out shearpolice.com, and if you do make any purchases, use Rusty10 and that'll get you 10% discount off. They do the scissors, hair dryers, they do the Gamma products as well. So I'll leave a link down below, so feel free to go check those out. Right, let's move on to number 3. So number 3 is going to be the trimmer. The trimmer that I use is the Absolute Hitter from Gamma. Again, really nice. Put some really nice clean lines in there. It's not too harsh on the neck, so, and also good for kids. So that's my number 3 is a trimmer. Number 4 is going to be a box shaver. So the box shaver that I have is the Wireless Prodigy. Again, this is from Stylecraft, for doing the skin fades and getting all the way down to the skin. So number 4 is the box shaver, and that, to be honest, not everyone has to have one of those. If you're beginning, you're probably not going to do skin fades to start out, so that is optional. Now number 5 is a little bit of a different one because it kind of ties in with number 2 with the clippers. So when you buy the clippers, you do actually get the clipper guards. I don't personally like them, so I did opt and I purchased the Gamma dubs or double magnetic guards. I find that they're really good. They're really nice because they have like a lot more teeth than what you do on the Wahl guards. What I do use though, I still use the 1 and the half guard on the premium guards. I find that they cut a little bit closer. Now I don't know if that's a problem with the Gamma double magnetic guards, but they're the ones that I like to use. So they're my number 5.
I also did a video on the Gamma double magnetic guards, so I will leave a card up in the top, so feel free to go check that video out as well.
So moving on to number 6. Number 6, I am going to choose brushes.
It's no joke, right?
So I have my neck brush for when I finish, just to clean off any excess hair. I have my little razor brush or foam brush. What I use that for is it's perfect for cleaning any of your clippers. So that's what I use for that. Really inexpensive, probably about 50 pence from Savers or something. And then for if I'm doing a skin fade, I use the Denman Jack Dean fade brush. Really good brush. Again, inexpensive, but really does the job. And then the two combs that I really like is, and the one that I mainly use for everything, is the Wyeth's Park 332 comb and the Oster clipper comb. Really like the Oster clipper comb, and this was actually, it was Chad Boker's from the Uptown Barber Shop who told me about this one. Really nice and wide, so it gives you loads of margin for error. So if you're a beginner barber like myself, it just gives you that little bit more confidence to go in there with clipper over comb. So that's my number 6. So let's move on to number 7. So my number 7 is going to be the straight razor. So I've got the Bluebeard's Revenge straight razor, and I've also got the Derby 100 razors, the single edge ones. Again, so inexpensive. I'd recommend that one. It works out for the two, I think it was about £12, and again I'll leave a link down below. So that's my number 7. So last but not least, coming in at number 8 is some Clippercide, some Andis 7-in-1, and the clipper oil. All really good things to keep just for the maintenance of your tools. So they're what I would recommend. And like I've said, for any of these products, I will leave in the description down below to where you can get them from. Most of the stuff that I use is inexpensive, and I hope you've liked this video, and if you have, remember to smash that like, the notification and the subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ta-da!